case study on Bentley's. Doubling the revenue of Bentley's through automation in Australia. Bentley's is a prominent financial and business advisory organization established in Australia. The organization aims at providing all kinds of strategic and financial solutions to businesses all across the world. It is home to a staff of over 500 people working across its 17 offices in 3 different countries. Challenges. Financial advisors face many challenges on a regular basis, from managing enormous information, fulfilling client expectations, to providing trust and support to their clients. The branch office of Bentley's in Perth, Australia, was also facing the challenge of managing an abundance of client information. All the little details shared by the client attributes and understanding the insights and further provide an adequate solution to the problem. Solution. To accumulate every small detail of the client's problems and provide them with improved solutions. Bentley's made a collaboration with DeepFocus to develop a custom reporting system for their financial advisors. Our development teams on researching came across 32 common business challenges that investors and businesses were facing. Our expertise teams helped to break down those problems under 5 major classifications. 1. Priorities. 2. Indicators. 3. Causes. 4. Short-term solutions. 5. Long-term solutions. By embedding a range of solutions for these problems in our custom web application, we successfully managed to deliver a top-notch web solution to Bentley's. The process. The financial advisors use the web app as a guide to get real-time solutions while they are conversing with the client on call. The web application processes through a variety of steps to complete its operations, such as 1. Fiercely, the web application projects 40 common problems that most businesses are facing. 2. The advisor asks clients numerous questions about their problems as guided by the application and inputs their answer to the system. 3. The application, by using the conditional algorithm stated in its functioning, provides the possible causes and indicators of those problems. 4. Additional comments can be added in the app for better understanding and second opinion with seniors. 5. After filling in all the required details, the application processes the data and generates a comprehensive report for the problem with all the feasible solutions. 6. The report gets auto-forwarded to senior financial advisor along with a follow-up proposal. 7. The senior officials, on studying the insights of the report and data collected, further carry out the process with the client. 8. Apart from delivering solutions to the problems, the application also synchronizes the client data with Mailchimp. Using those details, automated emails and monthly newsletters are sent to the customer for better customer engagement. Results. Automation is one of the master keys for boosting the growth of any organization. By leveraging the use of automated custom reporting application, Bentley's enjoyed the following benefits. 1. Bentley served over 800 new investors. 2. The revenue of their organization doubled. 3. The custom application, by collecting the data of the clients, improved customer acquisitions and further benefits in raising brand engagement.